Today is an international day. Even I left Vietnam, I bought my Vietnamese tea. Where is my Vietnamese tea? I think I left it down. So yeah, we have a Vietnamese tea that I bought from Vietnam. What I like the most in it is the bobo. I've been looking for this tea for a long time. I went in Manhattan one day, and I went to a tea salon. I got the bobo tea. Since then, I fell in love with it. So we're gonna add a little bit of milk. It's so good, I'm telling you. It's so good. This is so good. And I have for lunch, I made my salad. This is turmeric powder and ginger on it, with some turkey breast and all our spinach, green pepper, and jalapeno pepper. And I made my own vinaigrette. And this is a little sandwich that I made with spinach, olive oil, mayonnaise, and turkey breast, and of course jalapeno pepper. And we're gonna add some cashew on it. Cashew is very good for your body. You know, this is quick and healthy. And I didn't have to put any milk, any sugar in the tea. That's what I like the most. It's already so good. The crunchy, the taste, the spicy. I'm gonna take a bite. I already take a bite. So good. You wanna look like that? Take care of you. Bit healthy. It doesn't matter you give birth. Two babies. Belly will stay impact. Body will stay impact. Skin will stay impact. Because you take care of yourself. The first thing to do is eating healthy, and after doing exercise. That's why I spent a lot in this body.